Let's transform your Beehiiv emails from generic messages into personalized connections by proudly adding your author name. First, log into your Beehiiv account and navigate to your dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, find and click on Settings. Within the settings, you'll want to go to the Publication tab. This is where you'll define your publication's core details. Locate the section for author name. This is the crucial field where you'll enter the name you want to appear on your emails. Type in your full author name here. This could be your personal name, your brand name, or a pen name, whatever best represents you and your content. Once you've entered your author name, be sure to click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page to apply your update. Now, when you send out newsletters, your chosen author name will automatically appear, adding that essential personal touch. This simple step makes a big difference. It builds trust, reinforces your brand identity, and helps your subscribers feel more connected to the person behind the words. By personalizing your emails with your author name, you're not just sending content, you're building a relationship. Try it out and watch your reader engagement grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Beehiiv tips to elevate your newsletter strategy.